If you're running a growing business and things feel busy but inconsistent, this video is for you. Most businesses don't actually have a lead problem. They have a systems problem. Leads come in, but response times vary. Quotes go out, but follow-up isn't consistent. Calls are missed during peak hours. Booking requires back and forth. Admin piles up, and leadership ends up reacting instead of operating with control. At ITEEK AI Solutions, we don't sell random tools. We design structured AI systems that remove bottlenecks. And we start the same way every time, with an assessment. The assessment isn't a sales call. It's a system audit. We map 3 things. First, where leads enter your business. Second, where they slow down or leak. Third, where manual work is draining your team. We look at capture, response time, booking flow, follow-up structure, task routing, invoicing friction, and visibility. Because automation without structure creates more chaos. Structure first, technology second. Now let me explain the core software systems we build around. At the center is your AI CRM. This isn't just a contact list. It's your operational command center. Every lead is tracked, every stage is visible, every response time is measured. Pipelines are clearly defined, so no one is guessing what needs attention. Then we install missed call capture. If someone calls and you can't answer, the system instantly responds with a natural text message, starts the conversation, and logs the lead into your CRM automatically. No more silent losses. Next is the AI follow-up system. When a quote goes out or a lead goes quiet, automated sequences check in consistently, day 3, day 7, day 14, without being pushy. If the lead replies, automation stops and your team takes over. We also deploy AI booking and AMP scheduling systems. Instead of email tennis, clients see real availability, choose a time, receive instant confirmation, and get reminders automatically. That removes friction and reduces no-shows. Internally, we build routing agents. Tasks move to the right person. Crews get assigned correctly. Dashboards show what's booked, pending, or stalled. Leadership sees everything in one place. Externally, we deploy engagement agents, reactivation campaigns, review generation, lead nurturing, all structured and measurable. But here's the key, we don't install everything at once. During the assessment, we identify your biggest bottleneck. That's where we start. If missed calls are the leak, we fix capture first. If follow-up is inconsistent, we fix that next. If booking friction is slowing you down, we remove it. We build in order of impact. That's how you get real operational improvement, not just new software. And this applies whether you're a trade company, a service business, an SME, or an online operator. The model is the same: capture, structure, automate, measure, optimize. If your business feels busy but not fully controlled, you don't need more effort. You need system clarity. So if you'd like us to map your top 3 bottlenecks and show you exactly what to automate first, book a free AI business assessment using the link below. We'll audit your current setup, identify your choke points, and outline the system design required to fix them. No hype, no pressure, just clarity.